Hi, this is Sarah and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we share with you a simple version of American Girl's newly released Pet Spa and Daycare set. Colourful and fun, posh but practical, this set is everything your doll needs to care and play with their furry four-legged friends. Get busy crafting this compact two-sided structure that will add so much play value to your doll collection and store away neatly when play is over. Okay, let's get making! Start by cutting the main wall. We use 10mm foam board, but you can substitute this with cardboard. To cover the front, we have colourful pinstripe scrapbooking paper. We adhere the paper on an angle to create a diagonal pattern similar to American Girl's design. Measure 8 cm from each short side and make vertical cuts 19 cm high. Cut between your slits to make the opening for the pet pen. While the wall is still flat, flip it over and cover the opposite side with a white subway tile printable. I'll leave a link to this one in the description box below. From 5mm foam board, cut out the door frame. Ours is 1.5 cm wide. Affix 3 1 cm wide foam board strips to the back side, lifting the frame off the main wall. Paint the frame hot pink before gluing it over the opening. Now cut the door from more white 5mm foam board. It should slide easily between the wall and the frame. For the pet store sign, we took fun foam sticker letters and painted them teal to match AG's colour scheme. Adhere the letters above the pen opening. It helps to use a ruler to keep the letters straight and evenly spaced apart. Next, cut a rectangle of thick foam board for the shelf. Draw a line that is 4 cm in from the long side. With an X-Acto blade, partially cut through the foam board, then snap it, giving the shelf its raised ledge. With the cut side facing up, center 2 long strips of foam board to the wider side of the shelf. Glue them, leaving a 1 cm gap between. Lock in the angle of your ledge piece by squeezing hot glue into the exposed foam board gap. Then paint the shelf light blue. Now simply slot the shelf over the main wall. So we can display accessories, we took these clear command hooks. Affix a hook to each end of the ledge. We also hot glued smaller brass hooks to the foam board strips below the shelf. Awesome! The front of the pet spa is done. To build the storage unit, cut from 10mm foam board a base, countertop, 4 side wall pieces, and 2 front walls. Make a U-shaped cut at the top of this piece to get the dividing shelf of the cubby. Glue in place. Following this, affix the left and right side walls. Adhere the cubby 1 cm from the side edge. Repeat the steps for the second cubby. Take the countertop and round just the front corners. Cut 2 circles from the right side to house the doll's hairdryer and other grooming tools. From clear plastic packaging, cut 2 doors. Make a small circle in each door. To tint the plastic yellow, take a permanent marker. We use the chisel tip of our Copic pen, working in lines to avoid streaks. We can make the sliding door tracks from these skinny sticks. Measure and mark the distance between the cubby walls. Ensure your sticks are the right size, then affix 3 of them to the base, with the first stick flush with the front edge. Glue 3 more sticks under the countertop, checking they align with the placement of your base tracks. Now all our pieces are ready, we can adhere the main wall to the unit. Here I needed to patch a strip of foam board so the wall and base piece connected. Next, pop the yellow sliding doors into the tracks, then secure the countertop into position. And check that your doors move freely. Switching to the flooring. Here we cut a rectangle of blue poster board, folded it in half and cut an arch off one corner. Glue the poster board to another sheet of green poster board. This will become the grassy side. For the pool side, we have grey textured cardstock and a water printable from MyFroggyStuff's blog page. Adhere an A4 sheet of water image first, then place squares of grey cardstock around the perimeter for the tiles. To protect the flooring and make it shiny, cover with clear contact. Now the pet spa structure is complete, let's focus on the accessories. We can make the bathtub from a large takeaway container. Trim off the rim, reducing its size to 6 cm tall, then spray paint pink. It's optional, but we masked off the centre with low-tack post-it note paper. Colour in the clear section with blue marker for water, then tap dots along the border with a white paint pen for bubbles. Next, let's craft the faucet and sprayer. For a tap, we reused the cork handle made in our DIY Day Spa video. Insert a paper clip into the centre back of your cork, allowing 1 cm of overhang. Then push the wire through a short length of jumbo straw and secure inside the straw with hot glue. Affix the straw to the top of an elbow pipe. Cut down both ends of the pipe, then paint everything grey. Now we have a simple tap with a handle that turns for more interactive fun. Craft the sprayer in a similar method to our hose in Lila's horse stable video, only this time the valve head is made from a rubber stopper. Carefully split the stopper in half, then place a handle made of rolled paper tubes in the recess and close up the gap with paperboard. Add a tiny piece of fun foam for a trigger that you can really squish. Paint this part grey. Now cut more paperboard in the same shape, adding holes with a brad punch. Connect the tap and sprayer with a piece of tubing, or like us, white elastic. Here we have a hook from a Barbie stand that will hold the sprayer perfectly. Mount it onto a square of foam board and paint blue. Glue the foam board to the main wall and your set is finished. We hope this DIY helps should you wish to make a pet spa and daycare set for your AG dolls. It would mean so much to us if you hit that like button and subscribed to support our channel. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!